In this next topic, the Tesla Spring update is finally rolling out. Here's a list of all the different features, and on top of that, a video, and if you've got the older Intel chip, this is what you should be expecting. Let's take a look at it. But if you're just joining in, my name is Dennis. I love talking about Tesla deal hacking, so definitely hit that subscribe if you're interested. But shout out to Tesla Newswire. They posted this 2024.14.3 software update. Spring update is rolling out to its first batch of customers. Here is the full entire list. I don't think I'm going to read through all of this, but on top of that, there is some different things that are coming to the Cybertruck as well. So pretty excited to see all these different features. But here is a quick video of what that actually looks like. Of course, China got it first, especially in their Model 3s and their Model Ys. But you can see there's auto shift, auto drive, and auto reverse, and it's going to be a UI that's just like how the Cybertruck actually is as well. Here's another post from Not a Tesla app. You can take a look at it and see all the different visual updates from that in the new features, including Audible and much more. And on top of that, here is a first owner, Aaron Cash, one of our friends with the Cybertruck, actually got the brand new update as well, just live, like posted 15 minutes ago, and was able to give us all the different screenshots. The first thing that popped out to a lot of people is, I don't know about you all, but most of you have Teslas that already own Teslas. You probably already have cabin overheat protection. Cybertruck did not have that, and it is finally getting it, 4 or 5 months later on this latest update. But definitely some pretty interesting stuff. So pretty excited to see all these different features when they actually come out. And that's kind of the best thing about it, Tesla, right? It just keeps getting better and better and better with all the different updates out there.